make him a gacha online. Hold on, let me just get into the game first, cause at this point I was in the bathtub, and then out of nowhere I just immediately, and yeah, that's my spawning point. Oh yeah, and remember these guys. Great. Ignore that. That's one of my friends that I do not like anymore because they betrayed me. Anyway, they were annoying. Anyway, I'm, I'm not whatever, but I'm not. I ain't. Okay, whatever. Here, so you can make this guy in gacha online. I don't even know if this is a guy or not. Anyway, I'm starting with the ears first because the ears I don't think I will remember it. So I'm just doing the ones first. Okay. Head AC to 200 and 511. Okay, and hair. Front hair 179. Scarf 300 and 850. And back hair 1200 and 490. Eyes 78. Eyebrows 2. I just can't wait for the next update. Hopefully they will add more Sonic stuff and more anime stuff, cause that will make it more better and fun. Super fun to make and create. And I'll be such a creator. Anyway, 1300 and 922. Nah. Ignore my sister. Anyway, face AC1 200 and 573. That's the nose, okay. And jacket 400 and 927. Stop. Shirt 23. Oh my. No. Okay, sleeve 67. Pants 20. Socks 12. Shoes 5. Cape 6. Oh my god. Gloves 3. I think you're finished. Yeah, you're finished. Okay. Okay. Here's the color for shirt, jacket, belt, pants, sleeves, scarf, and back. Oh yeah, and color too for that. The same with this. Here's the color for skin color, back hair color. Front is white. Oh yeah, pupils 999, black, and you guys should know the eyebrows too. Yup. You guys are finished.